Here's a more detailed look at the Jetour T2 based on various reviews. Pros: stylish and modern design. The T2 boasts a rugged yet sophisticated design, with bold lines and a strong presence. Spacious and comfortable interior. The T2 is a 5-seater SUV with ample space for passengers and cargo. Packed with technology. It includes a large touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a suite of driver assistance features. Good performance. The T2 is equipped with a powerful engine, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience. Value for money. Versatile. It handles both city driving and off-road adventures with ease. Comfortable ride. The T2 offers a smooth ride and supportive seats, making it suitable for long journeys. The Jetour T2 has a trunk space of 752 liters. According to Doobie Cars, it is also described as having a spacious and practical interior for passengers and cargo. The rear seats can be folded down to further expand the cargo area.